Hello everyone, I am Salman Ahmed from Reneward E-Recycling Private Limited. I am the director of the company. We are one of the leading e-waste company of India. We used to recycle and refurbish the e-waste. So please do visit our kiosk in Innovation Pavilion in stall number 6. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Abdul Rauf from Cuddle Hugs. This is a platform where we provide each and every baby product at one platform. So we are in Numaish AIIE, where All India Industrial Exhibition. We're in an innovation pavilion. Our stall number is 12. Please do visit us.
गुड इवनिंग ऑल, मेरा नाम संतोष है। मैं कॉलन इंडस्ट्री से, मेरा कंपनी में इलेक्ट्रिक टू व्हीलर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी में ये चल्लापल्ली में हैदराबाद में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट है। और अभी है तो हमारे पास 7 मॉडल है, इसमें 3 मॉडल हाई स्पीड का है और 4 मॉडल लो स्पीड में। अभी है तो आप देख रहे हैं तो ये नुमाइश में हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। हमारा स्टॉल नंबर 14 है, ये टी हब पेविलियन में। और अभी है तो हमारे पास 3 मॉडल है, अभी है तो अवेलेबल है। ये 2 लो स्पीड में, एक बाइक का, एक लोडर मॉडल है। आप ये स्टॉल विजिट करके मेरा व्हीकल देख सकते हैं। आपको 80 किलोमीटर से 150 किलोमीटर तक रेंज में मिलेगा, आपको बजट में मिलेगा।
Hello everyone, we are iGenie. We are eye cleaning at patient door. So with the help of this iGenie, patient can get all this doctor consultation at the doorstep. So they can call us for the bedridden patient, for the children, for the school going, and it's for everybody. So for saving the time, for bringing this convenience at the patient door, we are trying to bring this complete eye care at the doorstep. So without any compromise, we utilize this digital equipments that has the live view with the doctors. So doctor has the all these diagnostic details when he speaks with the patients. So in that way, a doctor is able to make him decisions. We are displaying our innovation in stall number 5 in Numaish, and where we'll be doing this free vision test for the school going children. Whoever seeing this, if they come here with their school ID, so we'll offer them a free vision test. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sunil Golla. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Metaloga. We have a product called Relvasit. This is specifically for pain management using virtual reality. The solution encompasses both the physical and psychosomatic side of things. It's a very comprehensive solution. As you know, that big component of pain these days has been attributed to psychosomatic. Physio, which is a very important aspect, has been underlooked. And more emphasis is happening now to look at some of these aspects which can actually give long-lasting solutions. And we at Metaloga built a very innovative solution to take the patient both from the standpoint of going through the therapy. Typically, this therapy goes anywhere between 2 to 3 months. And it's pretty intensive because of the severe pain, typically chronic pain conditions. It's completely a digital solution using virtual reality. It takes you all the way from pain assessment to pain education to cognitive behavioral therapy to virtual physio, all the way to the subtler aspects of our system. And it kind of builds to initiate the self-healing system, inducing the hormones so that it can bring neuroplasticity in your system over a period of 56 sessions. And this will give you a long-lasting relief compared to the traditional, whether we take it any kind of drugs, opiates, NCRs, or any interventional procedures. In comparison to that, this is a much more long-lasting solution. That's what we offer here. Thank you.
Good evening. This pavilion belongs to SMB Excel. Our products are, major product we have is Market Central, and the product we developed for this funfair is Numaish. So this one is the Numaish app. Here we have features like way to Numaish, then explore and shops and offers. Way to Numaish is like, for example, if a person is coming from outside the location to Numaish, they can just click on way to Numaish and it will show the direction to the Numaish entry gate. And inside that they can explore into other sections like Pista House and all those things. So in explore section we have 2 features called landmark and shop categories. So landmarks, you can find out the major landmarks like Gandhi statue, Gandhi Bhavan and event hall. Then here in the main dashboard, as you can see below, there's a feature called offer zones. Shops that are registered in our app, they can provide offers for the customer. Like for example, if some shop is like, we have 50% discount on Lucknowi chicken salwars. that we can mention it here. Entire purpose of this app is to explore Numice in a digital format and get the directions throughout the Numice easily, to navigate easily and simply. Now my friend Heather would be explaining about the main product market.
So apart from this Numash app, we are also providing the Market Center platform, so customer can make their own website in Market Center, complete platform, online storefront, and he can do all the business activity here. He can send bulk messages, bulk mail. He can do transaction. He can add products there. Everything is there. Like payment method is there. The customer can build their own identity, own branding in Market Center. As of now, those who want to join this platform, they can join. There is no commission, no charges. We have value added services for extra products, for networking, since the basic plan is free.